Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about GTM. GTM stands for Grammar Translation Method. This method is the most traditional method, which it is called sometimes the classical method, since it was first used in the teaching of the classical languages, Latin and Greek. Earlier in the 20th century, this method was used for the purpose of helping students to read and appreciate foreign language literature. It was also hoped that through the study of the grammar of the target language, students would become more familiar with the grammar of their native language, and that this familiarity would help them speak and write their native language better. What is the purpose of using grammar translation method in teaching English language? There are three main purposes in teaching English language according to grammar translation method, which they are: read and appreciate foreign language literature, be familiar with their native language grammar, and grow up intellectually. What are the principles of grammar translation method? Number 1. Read and write the literature of target language. Translate each language into another. Communicate in target language is not important. Primary skills are reading and writing. Teacher is the main authority in the classroom. Native language, the most usable language in the classroom. Similarities between target and native language make teaching and learning process easier. Grammar of target language is so important to teach. Grammar is taught deductively. Learning language is a good mental exercise. Grammatical paradigms should be committed to memory. What is the role of the teacher in grammar translation method? The teacher is the authority in the classroom. What is the role of the student in grammar translation method? The student do what the teacher does. They are imitators. What is the role of the student's native language in the grammar translation method? The most usable language in the classroom is the native language. What is the nature of interaction between teacher and student in a grammar translation method? There is only one direction interaction between students and teacher, which is between the teacher and student, not between the student and teacher, nor between students and students. Only the teacher can interact with the student. What areas of language are emphasized to be taught? Vocabulary and grammar are emphasized. What skills of language are emphasized? Reading and writing are emphasized over other skills. How is evaluation accomplished in grammar translation method? The teacher may ask the student to translate a passage from Arabic into English or vice versa. Also, he may ask them to apply grammar rules. How does the teacher respond to student error in a grammar translation method? The teacher supplies the student with the correct answer whenever they make mistakes or error in using language. The characteristics of teaching and learning process in grammar translation method are translating, reading literature, mastering grammar, memorizing grammar, memorizing language equivalent. What are the techniques of grammar translation method? Translation of literary passage, reading comprehension questions, antonyms and synonyms, cognates, deductive application of rules, fill in the blanks exercise, memorization, use word in sentences, composition. For more information and details, please visit the link in the description box. Thank you and have a good day.